Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into Apex, the powerful programming language tailored for Salesforce. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced developer, this video will give you the essentials you need to get started. So, what exactly is Apex? Apex is a strongly typed, object-oriented programming language designed to execute flow and transaction control statements on the Salesforce platform. Think of it as a mix of Java and database stored procedures. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk features. Apex is super easy to use thanks to its Java-like syntax. It's integrated, meaning it supports DML operations, looping, and SOQL queries. It's also strongly typed, so you need to declare data types for all your variables. Plus, Apex operates in a multi-tenant environment and is versioned, so your code is saved against different API versions. And let's not forget, it's incredibly easy to test with built-in unit test support. But what can you actually do with Apex? Well, it's perfect for building custom applications, implementing tailored organization processes, collaborating with external systems, and adding custom logic. You can also use it for complex validations. In short, if you need something beyond Salesforce's standard functionality, Apex is your go-to tool. Speaking of data, Apex supports various data types. You've got blob for binary data, Boolean for true, false values, date and date time for specific days and times, time for specific times, and decimal for numbers with decimal points. Apex variables act as in-memory data containers with these specific data types. Apex collections are also versatile. You can use lists for ordered collections that allow duplicates, sets for unordered collections of unique elements, and maps for collections of key-value pairs. These collections make your data management efficient and organized. Let's not forget about loops and conditional statements. Apex offers do-while, while, and for loops, including traditional, list iteration, and SOQL iteration loops. For conditional statements, you have if-else, switch, and ternary operators at your disposal. In essence, Apex is a robust and versatile language that empowers you to fully leverage the Salesforce platform. Whether you're automating processes, creating custom interfaces, or integrating with other systems, Apex has got you covered. So, there you have it, Apex 101. Everything you need to know to get started and make the most out of Salesforce development. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.